The Lesker Company offers the opportunity to further my education and to be able to build that future that I'm looking for. Hi, my name is Maria Moon. I've been working at the Lesker Company for about 1.5 years now, and I'm a Machinist Apprentice. I think it's a really great program, lots of opportunity, lots to learn. The Lesker Company really pulled me in with the community that we have here. Everyone is really kind, really helpful. If you need anything, they're right there for you. There's a lot of great events that we hold, like the environmental cleanup and the Polar Plunge. To succeed in this field, I would say it's very important to have attention to detail. There's a lot of little things that you need to pay attention, a lot of little tedious things. You always have to make sure you're double checking to make sure everything is how it should be. Being kind, asking questions. Math is always something that's needed in this field. There is a lot of opportunity to move forward. Since working here, I have loved machining. It's been really great.